I get a lot of comments in my videos asking for help inside Premiere Pro and After Effects, and YouTube isn't the best place really in the comments section to really go deep inside the software. So what I've wanted to do is create a community separate from YouTube that we can explore more of the topics. So I just launched my new Discord server. I'll link it down in the video description. It's completely free to join. So if you're looking to dive deeper in Premiere Pro, After Effects, you have questions that you want to ask and get input from not only myself, but other members in the community, feel free to join. And I look forward to growing the server. In this video, I wanted to briefly talk about what's inside the server. So when you join the server, you'll see the welcome and rules. Under announcements, I'll be posting any announcements, maybe new videos or different things that will be coming out on the channel. And then under the text channels, this is where you can add in different prompts, different messages, and create different threads for topics you'd like to explore. So you can see that there's a Premiere Pro and After Effects one. So if you have a specific question or are looking for feedback inside these softwares, you can put in and create a new thread in here. I also made a one for general topics, a one for videography, and this one's probably going to be one of my favorites is share your work. So you can share your work if you're looking for input on your project. Maybe you're working on a client video and you're looking for input on your project that you're working on, you can put it here in this thread. If you have ideas and suggestions for the Discord server, you can put in ideas and feedback. Now, this is just the beta version of this. Obviously, as this grows, more members join, we'll add probably different channels and things. So feel free to add your feedback in this channel. And also, if you didn't see my last video, I am giving away a free video editing t-shirt. So be sure to enter the giveaway for that. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel on YouTube, like this video underneath this video, and leave a comment. Maybe leave a comment on what you'd like to see inside the Discord server. Let me know and you'll be entered into the giveaway. But that does it for this video. I just wanted to let you know that the Discord server is out. Feel free to join. I hope you enjoy it and I look forward to seeing you guys in there. Take care.